like you can pick a chapter. Select a chapter. It shows the strength of different relationships. Let's check out the list. Let's check out the list. Looks like you can pick a chapter. Looks like you can pick a chapter. Select a chapter. Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out.
Nanami, does Yuji know about that finger in Junpei Yoshino's?
I haven't told him. Knowing Yuji, he'd just feel unnecessarily responsible.
I'm glad I left you in charge of him. So, where is it now?
I submitted it to the higher-ups, of course. If I gave it to you, you'd have already fed it to Itadori.
Hey, Gojo! Let's hurry up. I want to go see everyone.
Yuji, what are you thinking? After all this time, you can't just show up like nothing happened. So, we have to make it a surprise.
So cool! So, what's my job in this? Tell me, what do I have to do here?
You don't have to do anything, Yuji. You just do exactly as I say and go with the flow.
It'll be a big enough surprise for them to just see he's alive.
Sorry for the wait! Okay, everybody from Kyoto gets this tribal protective charm doll. Now, for all you Tokyo peeps, I have this! Ta-da! It's your long-dead friend, Yuji!
Hey, what the hell? What kind of a reaction is this? They don't seem happy to see me at all.
Sukuna's vessel lives? Just who is behind this outrage?
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good? Let's win!
The Tokyo-Kyoto Sister School exchange event will be held over 2 days. The first team to exercise the second grade cursed spirit released in the designated area. Several third grade and lower cursed spirits will be released into the designated area as well. Then the team that exercises the most wins.
So this is the first year who died?
Looks like it.
A talking pan?
Salmon, salmon.
Say what?
Inumaki is a cursed speech. His speech amplifies the power and compulsion of words. He limits his vocabulary to keep.
So if he told someone to go die, they'd do it? Awesome.
It's not quite that simple. Using powerful words can produce massive feedback. Worst case, it could affect him as well. Limiting his vocabulary is a way for Toge to protect himself and others.
So, what's our new strategy? Our group battle plan is what we... But we have another member now. Should we change strategies? We don't have much time.
Neato flakes.
Well, I think that'll depend on Yuji. What are your special?
Punch, kick.
We're already pretty well set for all that.
I don't know what he's been doing since he's been dead, but I can say this much. If we all fought him, and he didn't use Itadori's.
Megami's saying that, even after fighting Toto. That makes it Interesting. All right, all of you. The 3 first years and we second years are gonna have a training fight.
Now? We don't.
Just some light sparring.
I'd certainly like to check out Yuji's ability before the exchange event.
Salmon.
I agree.
I'm merely panda. No understand human speak.
I'll win. All flat. Been working on my skills. Put your trust in me.
You weren't just busy being dead.
Don't forget about me. I'm looking forward to this.
Better get on with it. The exchange event is done without us.
Salmon.
Here comes a lot of hurt.
You know, we all feel it. Can't bring it out yet.
Not a problem. Here comes a lot of hurt. I got this in the bag. This is all I got.
Is this the end?
You rock, Fushiguro. You're such a pro.
Just doing whatever I can.
Easy.
Looks like you're as good as Megami said.
Your physical ability.
Salmon. Cool.
As for our strategy for the exchange event, Toto is our biggest. Toto is a monster. The worst possible outcome would be that we all face him and we all get wiped out. So our plan was to leave one of us, not sure who, either Panda or Megami, behind to deal with him. So now, Itadori, we'll leave that role to you.
Me?
You don't have to beat him. Just try to hold out and buy us some time.
I'll play along if you want me to. And I'll win, too. Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out!
You must kill Yuji Ito. Sukuna's vessel is not an actual person, so the act will go unquestioned. Without a doubt, the entire event will be seen as an accident.
This sucks. Do what you...
So, what do we do now? How are we going to carry out the game plan with Toto acting? While he goes berserk, the rest of us can just keep our effort.
Don't forget we have direct... Honestly, I doubt Toto will actually kill him, but he is capable.
Then we'll need to assign someone to keep an eye on Toto and deliver the final blow to Yuji.
Allowing a half-wit like Yuji Itadori to exist as a sorcerer at this school is a... We will all attack Itadori.
Well then, what did you...
Someone's working with a curse, or a curse user.
Impossible! A curse user's one thing, but working with curse...
And yet a lot of them on that level have been popping up. They might think they're just working with a curse user. But you need to investigate.
Itadori, what happened?
No, nothing happened. Okay, yeah. But it's true that I'm okay. In fact, because of it, I really don't want to.
All right then. Because I don't.
Let's win!
Who said you could go first?
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out! Is this good? Let's win!
Now, let the system...
At the prearranged time, we'll split into the mega. After that, it's on you.
Got it!
Zenin, stop running!
Yeah! Now, come at me!
Scatter!
Yes!
I'll return the favor. Act like your life's at stake.
Sorry, but I'm not losing to anyone.
Get in close!
Now I'm feeling it.
You withstand this?
Now we're talking.
However, I'll kill you!
Like first energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
What's your name, first?
Yuji Itadori.
All right, Yuji Itadori. I have one question that I need to ask you. What kind of woman is...
You want to know my type? Why would you be asking me that now?
Never mind why, I'm just evaluating.
Well, I don't get why it's important. But I guess if I had to say, I like a tall woman with a nice big ass. Huh?
So, you never lost anyone in your hometown, huh? You and I were destined to be best friends like we are.
Hold on, you just learned my name. I'm surrounded. Wait, why does it feel like these guys are actually trying to...
What the hell? Did Itadori and I just switch places?
Didn't I tell you I'd kill you if you interfered with me?
Does that switch Itadori's to...
He's retreating.
Make sure you kill him.
I'd say all that depends on Itadori. It's lucky for you. I'm not an inconsiderate type who'd ever hold back against his best friend in a fight.
Now, which mission should... Let's head out! Is this good? Let's win!
Such! His raw strength is greater than mine. Which is why his blows are still affected with so little cursed energy. And because there's so little of that, it's hard to read his movements. But the way his cursed energy hits after a time lag. Raw! Listen, my friend. That time-lagged cursed energy blast. That's a bad habit you've developed.
Oh, you mean Divergent Fist?
If you rely on just that one trick, you'll never defeat me. And if you're satisfied staying on that level, sadly, you and I can't possibly stay best...
I don't know. I don't...
You're okay with...
Definitely not.
That's more...
Now I'm feeling it!
Get in close! I'll keep that! And throw!
On the first strike! Shot!
Let me have some fun!
Now we're talking! Shot!
me have some woogie. It's not over. One hit after another. Pushing through.
That's my first energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
Not done yet. I'll give you a taste of my whole body and soul. There.
Going out in front.
Push back.
Remember how it felt.
I'll bring you to your... You're wide open. I'm back from the
Going out in
brink.
front. I remember how... Yes!
Brother.
Piece of cake. Easy.
Your divergent fist is created by your cursed energy lagging slightly behind your superhuman physical prowess, when normally there would be no lag at all. It's a tricky move. Your average sorcerer wouldn't know what happened, and they'd be left disoriented. It has a lot of force, too. If that's so, why is your cursed energy lagging? I know why. It's because you're Chen. They say it flows from the navel to the chest, then to the shoulders, arms, and... But this view of the body as individual parts is what delays cursed energy. Would you say sorcerers think using their guts? Do we express anger with our heads? Now listen to me. We exist in this world with our entire mind, body, and soul as a whole. It's such a given that no one even thinks about it.
Thank you, Toto. I think now I understand.
Good. Then no more. I won't hold you. I'll guide you with my... Don't die on me, Itadori. Rise up.
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good? Salmon.
Salmon roe polycrow.
Bonito Flakes.
Please die and become sages.
Salmon round.
Feel the rage of nature.
Salmon.
Feel the rage of nature.
Salmon, tuna.
You cannot. Like this. I'll blow you away.
Mustard leaf, salmon. Salmon, tuna.
Feel the rage of nature. Run now. float you away from the riddle you were told. Like this. I'll float you away.
Sam, tuna.
I'll float you away.
Sam, tuna.
I'll float you away. Through me! You know!
Salmon row. Salmon mullet row. Salmon.
You almost had me. Don't get your hands down. I'll defeat you here.
Salmon row.
I'll take my
Salmon mullet row.
me. I'll cover a wide range. Impressive, I must admit. Not an option.
Bonito flakes. Bonito flakes.
What's this? Inumaki!
Run.
Now, let's head out. Is this good?
I won't lose.
Cursed spirit at Jujutsu High? Just who produced this veil?
Probably the curse user who's working with it.
Do you know something about this?
Yes. I think it's the special grade cursed spirit that attacked Gojo a while ago. Its appearance matches the report.
Tuna with mayo.
You're right. Let's call Gojo and let him know. Our enemy might use a domain. Thinking we should retreat and join Gojo. Damn it! Do we have to fight?
Salmon
Proceed with
row.
caution. Inumaki, don't do anything crazy.
Bonito flakes.
Like this.
Keep going!
Feel the rage of me.
Smack it down!
Feel the rage of me.
Smack it down!
Salmon tuna.
Keep the pressure!
Concentrate.
Salmon.
Got it! Smack it down!
Feel the rage of me. I'll float you away.
Keep the pressure! Keep the pressure! Smack it down! So good! Can't move it out
We're not there.
yet. Won't be holding back! Crush! Do it! All according to plan. Damn, it's really tough.
Stop it.
What is this? I can't tell what it's saying by the sound, but I somehow understand its meaning.
I merely wish to protect this planet.
It's a curse spouting nonsense. Don't listen.
This is on a whole different level than...
The forests, the oceans, and the sky all weep so vehemently that I can no longer stand it. This planet can shine blue once more. Time. Please die and become sages!
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good?
I won't lose.
I have something even better. Though I have to say, using this one feels disgusting.
Divine Dog. Totality!
I'm just getting warmed up. I'll send you flying.
I'll exercise you right here! Going underneath the hill.
I've got it. Right side. Right down. Never seen really underestimated. I'll leave you. You're easy to read.
Smack it down!
Underestimated me, huh?
Won't be holding back! Cross! Just as I calculated. Don't ever let me use that three-piece staff again.
Nah, you'd get used to Megami!
Maki! Damn it! All because I...
Jujutsu sorcerers are so extraordinarily compassionate. As a result, an opening is always created.
I have to bring out that cursed energy. Even if it rips my stomach open. Like everyone else, I choose my intent. I shoulder the least responsibility. I am simply not allowed.
Megami, stop! We did it. Our job here is done.
All right, friend.
Yeah. Now, which mission? Let's head out. Is this good? Let's win!
I'm not gonna lift a finger to help you. You know that, right, Itadori? Not until... If you can't land a Black Flash, then I'll just watch you die. No matter what happens to you. Got that?
Yes!
Sukuna's vessel, and he's strangely bold. I see he must have quite the tech. So, what is this?
You can talk? That's interesting. In that case, there's something I want to ask you. Are you connected with a humanoid cursed spirit with a patchwork face?
And? If I say that I am?
Anger is a trigger for sorcerers, and it can work for you both ways. A sorcerer can be taken down in a fight simply because he accidentally enraged him. And the opposite is also true. Sometimes, they lose because their own anger disrupts their cursed energy to the point that they can't exercise their abilities. Your friend has gotten hurt, and what's even worse than that, they've rained on your honeymoon with me, your new best friend. So take it from me, I can absolutely understand why you're boiling with... But all of that rage is too much for you, so put it away for now. So, how do you feel?
Yeah. Thank you for that.
And how?
Yeah.
Become fertilizer.
Space born from impact of cursed energy delivered within a trillionth of a second of a blow. It delivers 2.5 times the force of normal strength. There are no sorcerers who can consistently use it. However, between those who have experienced Black Flash and those who have not, their distance from the core of cursed energy is like the distance of heaven from earth.
Like this. Great.
It's like cursed energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
The power of nature.
God, hit it!
He's done it.
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out! Is this good? Let's win! Black Flash? So, I did that? What is this? This is my cursed energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
Now, you understand the taste of cursed energy. So, congratulations, brother. Now you can become truly strong.
I had been told that Sukuna's vessel was immature as a sorcerer, but he and this mysterious man... Something about them is different from the other masses.
All ready, brother?
Yeah!
Now, what do you say you and I get cooking?
It would seem that perhaps I should take you two somewhat seriously.
Come on!
All flat! I'll blow on the first strike! God!
I'll blow you away. You cannot.
Let me have some fun.
I'll blow you away.
Stop doing here. Let me have some fun.
Look out front!
We're good partners.
Riddle you with all.
Let me have some fun. I'll give you a taste of my whole body and soul.
My cursed energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
I must admit. I'll keep my distance.
Checkmate! Black, black! Black, black! Black, black! Black, black!
Looks like this is as far as I go. I'm enjoying a fight.
You good to go?
Yeah.
Haha. Then it's time to unleash.
Didn't you use it before? Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out. Is this good? Let's win!
There's really only one piece of advice I can give you. Don't stop. And believe in me!
Okay, but that's two.
So even accounting for unexpected situations, my 530,000 IQ mental CPU produces only one inescapable conclusion. Victory! Because I'm not alone, brother. You're here, and you're with me! Now go in here!
I see. It's simple, and therefore, it's somewhat technical.
Yes, it's simply swapping my position for that of my opponent, the Boogie Woogie!
Dodo!
I will end this before he can attack.
Shot! Most energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
My whole body and soul! Well done!
This is as far as I go.
Catch it! Well done! Catch it!
Look out for us! Remember how it is!
Strength. I was hoping I wouldn't have to use this.
Dodo!
Stay back!
But it would be easy to avoid the flow technique. So what shall I do? Domain expand!
Special great curses are adept at escaping. It's some distance away from Yuji. Oh well. Guess I can play a little rough. Technique amplification. Blue. Curse technique reversal. Red.
I'm not arrogant enough to confide in face Satoru Gojo.
What the hell? What were you all trying to do here anyway?
Hold it, brother!
Why are you stopping me, Toto?
Don't take another step forward. You'll get caught in it. Oh.
now, we can't tell if the special grade was exercised or...
That should settle everything!
You got seriously messed up. But things went fine for me because you distracted them. Come on, wake up.
Mahito, trying to put the brakes on my hostility is incredibly stressful.
You are sounding more like a...
Now, which mission should we go on? Let's head out!
Well, for the time being, at least our students are all safe.
But obviously the exchange event will have to be cancelled.
Hold on. Since when is that a decision we get to make?
A chapter's been unlocked! Now, which mission should we go on? Now, which mission should we go on? Now, which mission should we go on? Looks like you can pick a chapter.